IDShield. IDShield is our sister product. Most of us know that identity theft is not just a problem, it's a major epidemic. And we're going to do a few important things. We're going to do early detection for you, which means we're going to monitor. Over 100 personal identifiers are going to be monitored, okay? When you enroll for IDShield, you will log into your dashboard and you get to tell us what you want to have monitored. You might want to have your investment accounts monitored. That would be a good thing, because what you want to know if somebody did a $25,000 withdrawal out of your 401k or your IRA, you'd want to know that. You'll also get social media reputation management. And so, if you get tagged in a photo or someone is saying derogatory things and they tag you, on Facebook or Instagram, you would want to know those things, okay? In addition to that, we give you consultation services, and the most important piece is the full service restoration. Our licensed private investigators will do whatever it takes, work as long as it takes to put you back to pre-theft status. It's a $3 million fraud protection plan. We're also going to provide you device protection, because we know you wouldn't even think of buying a computer today without having some type of device protection.